Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I'll be drafting a pencil sketch pattern. Hi, my name is Ayo. Welcome to 011 Clothings Tutorials. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So now, let's get right into the tutorial. Thank you. I'll be working with the following items: tape measure, calculator, a pair of paper scissors. Ideally, a pencil should be used to draft a pattern, but for tutorial purpose, I'll be using these marker pens, ruler and curves, pattern paper. So I have here my pattern paper, which I've already laid out on the table. I've already done the margin of 2 inches at the top of the pattern paper and 3 inches on the left hand side of the pattern paper. I'll be working with the following measurements: waist circumference 29 inches, hip circumference 36 inches, waist sweep measurement 8 inches, desired skirt length 27 inches. So the line at the upper part will be the waistline or the starting line for the skirt, while the space I left here is for the back vent of the skirt and also the zip allowance. So what I intend to do is to draw a rectangle, as I will be drafting both the back and the front of the skirt together. The width of the rectangle is the hip circumference plus 2 inches for ease divided by 2, and this is 36 plus 2 all over 2, which gave me 19 inches. So I will go ahead and measure a width of 19 inches for the rectangle, like this. As for the length of the rectangle, it will be the desired skirt length, which is 27 inches. I will now go ahead and measure 27 inches for the length of the rectangle. I will now go ahead and draw the rectangle like this. I will divide the rectangle into 2 equal halves vertically. I will go ahead and do that now. So now that I've done the division, this side will be the center back, while this other side will be the center front. Starting from the upper line, which is also the waistline, I will go ahead and measure 8 inches, which is the waist sweep measurement. On the average, it is between 8 to 9 inches, but you can also measure it directly on your client. Now I will estimate the waist circumference plus 1 inch for ease divided by 4, plus additional 1 inch for the waist dart, which is equal to 29 plus 1 all over 4, plus 1 inch for the waist dart, which gave me 8.5 inches. So on this upper line, which is the waistline, I will measure 8.5 inches starting from the center back and the center front respectively. I will also calculate the hip circumference plus 1 inch for ease divided by 4, which is equal to 36 plus 1 all over 4, which gave me 9.25 inches. So this is the hip line. On the line, I will go ahead and measure 9.25 inches starting from the center back and the center front respectively. The 9.25 inches that was calculated earlier for the hips will also be measured at the hem of the skirt, starting from the center back and the center front. I will now connect these 3 points together for both the back and the front patterns. So from the hip line, I will come down by 3 inches and I will mark the 3-inch points at the side. At the hem, I will come in by 1.25 inches from the side seam. I will now connect the 2 points together so as to create the pencil skirt silhouette. So it's now time to create the darts. At the waistline, I will use 4 inches for the dart position from the center front and the center back respectively. So I will measure and mark 4 inches from the center front and the center back. The dart will be 1 inch wide, so half an inch will be measured on both sides of the 4-inch mark. I will square down the position for both the back and the front patterns like this. The dart should end 2 inches above the hip line. I will mark the 2-inch points like this. Then I will go ahead and draw the darts. On the waistline at the center back, I will go in by half an inch and mark. It will also end 2 inches above the hip line, just like the waist darts. I will now connect the 2 points together like this. This will make the center back of the skirt slanted and not straight around the zip area. Also at the waistline, at the center back and the center front, I will come down by half an inch. I will now connect the points to the side seams with my curve. This will make the waistline of the skirt slightly curved instead of being a straight line. So at the hem of the skirt, at the center back, I will measure 10 inches upwards for the back vent opening. I will now square out the back vent extension like this. I will also go ahead and include a 1-inch zip allowance at the center back, making sure that I follow the slanted line at the zipper area of the skirt. So now I'm done with the drafting. I will now go ahead and cut out the skirt patterns. I will go ahead and close the waist darts because the skirt I intend to make will be a bandless skirt. That is, I will be cutting the band of the skirt from the main skirt patterns. So I will go ahead and measure 2.5 inches for the skirt band for both the back and the front patterns, like this. So as to avoid confusion, I will label the band of the skirt before cutting it out. That is the upper part, the center back, and the side seam. I will now go ahead and cut it out. So that's it, guys, we are done. Stay tuned for my next tutorial where I'll be cutting and sewing these pattern pieces together on my fabric. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next tutorial. Bye and thank you for watching.